Hello everyone, it's your girl Kino, aka the stay-at-home cutie, with another Walmart find and review. And also this is a review and a demonstration. This is the collapsible barbecue prep tub with lids and drain spouts. It also has a built-in cutting board, which is also dubbed as the lid, and you just pop it open like this. It actually has clamps on both sides to secure it. You just flip it over if you need to put meat or vegetables right here. I can tell you this is not flimsy. This is great. When I first opened it, when I got it, because it came via FedEx, it arrives within 2 days. And that is excellent. I don't know. Now, I have Walmart Plus. So, if you don't have Walmart Plus, I'm not sure delivery time, but it should be shipped via FedEx if you have Walmart Plus. Okay, it has 3 heights. Right now, this is the tallest height. This is 5.7 inches. And let me see if I can condense it down to the next. Actually, hold just 1 second. I think it'll be better if I do it off camera and then show you. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this height is 3.1 inches. Okay, and then once you get down to this bottom, because it does collapse down to be extremely flat, so you can store this or anything. The spout, if you want to use this as a tailgating cooler, that'll be great. See right there, the water will just go through right there. Or sometimes, you know, when you want to marinate meat, you don't have to put it in a aluminum pan like most people do, and then you have to, you know, find a way to discard that. You can just get this and you can just wash it out and you're good to go. The actual total size of this, the circumference, the inside of this is 10 by 6, and this is 5 by 6 inch. So that's the inside. Now the perimeter of it is 15 by 15 right here by 7 inch and 12 by 4 inch. And I'm just going by the actual measurements that are on the website. I didn't actually measure this myself, and I'm not real savvy with a tape measure. I'm learning, but I'm not. But this is really sturdy. This is the bottom part of it right here, and as you can see, it has feet on it, and these are rubber. So I think this is great. This is the lowest level, as you can see. And this right here, it is not soft. It is, if you can hear that, I don't know how to judge that. That is very firm. So that would actually, when I put the link down, you'll see where they actually show it as a cooler. So if you're one of the ones, you don't want to pull out that big hefty cooler or whatever, or you don't have to, you know, lug little different bags. You know how sometimes you go places, you can use this. This is be good for football games and kitchen prep, which is probably what I'll use. I'll probably order another one, but I'm just doubly impressed. And it has the notches on it, so when you put your cutting board, because this is what this is, when you put your cutting board on, and it actually comes like this through shipping. When you receive it, it will be wrapped in plastic, which, you know, guys, when I get stuff, I just go ahead and discard the wrapping, and that's all you get. When you get it, when it comes in a Walmart box, the size of the item, and it's wrapped in this. And that's all you got. So I really like this. I mean, I was just duly impressed when I opened this. I wanted it. I was kind of hesitating. I would, because I said I was gonna try to get things that you can use everywhere in your kitchen. And I have a very small kitchen, and I'm trying to downgrade some stuff, but upgrade it with better stuff, so I wouldn't have to keep doing the same thing over and over. I needed another cutting board. I have a wooden one that I really appreciate. Somebody bought me as a gift years ago, but I wanted another one, and this is great for when I need to chop something. And plus, when I wash my vegetables, I won't have to. I have one sink, and unless you have ever been in an apartment or anything like that, you really wouldn't understand. So, again, this is your girl Kino, aka the stay-at-home cutie. I am just really, really impressed with this. They also have it in 2 colors now. This is in orange. This is the one that was available through the product review program with Walmart. It also comes in a black color. So if this is not your forte, just no black. So depending on me, I may consider buying another one. I did purchase something similar to this through another brand. It didn't have the cutting board, but it was collapsible, and it didn't last long. And I was upset because, when you purchase something, you want it to last. And I really fell in love with it because, like I said, I have one sink. And when you have an extremely small space, like an RV or something, you have to be mindful of what you buy. And if you buy something that is supposed to be universal and do all these things and it doesn't work out, and it's usually after the warranty goes, it is a little hard. It's heartbreaking because you're thinking about, well, maybe I should have just paid a little bit more and got that other brand. But a lot of times we can't. But again, this is your girl, Kino, and I'm your stay-at-home cutie, and this has been a review and a demo of the collapsible barbecue tub with lids and drain spout, and it can be used for kitchen prep, tailgating, barbecues, whatever your heart's desire, really, because we can get creative when we don't have different things. But if you haven't heard today, Jesus loves you, and so do I. Remember, your best business card is your smile, and don't sweat the small stuff. I know life is hard. It gets harder. Nothing is easy. Nothing easy ever works out. At least that's what I learned. I love you to life. Don't forget to love on yourself beautifully. Jesus loves you, and so do I. Blessing 30,000-fold, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. And thank you to everybody who's been viewing my videos. Thank you for my 63 subscribers. I know I was praying that I have at least 100, but maybe there's a time and a place for everything. I just appreciate everybody for viewing my videos. Have a blessed day and be safe. And I'm your girl, Kino, aka the stay-at-home cutie.